Today, I'm going to go over how to model the multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. If you remember last week, we did a fraction by a whole number. So today we're going to multiply 1/2 times 2/3. Get this up here. Yes, I made a trip to get a whiteboard just for you guys. So what we do is we're only going to draw one hole. So that's all I did. I drew one hole, okay? And my first fraction is 1/2, so I'm going to split my model vertically in 1/2, and I shaded in 1/2. Now, what you'll notice is the other fraction there is 2/3. So I'm going to get a different colored marker to use with you guys, and we are going to split the model horizontally into 3 equal parts. Okay, so I split it into 3 parts. You guys see that? 3 equal parts. That's the pink lines, okay? So I've got 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. I need to shade 2/3. I'm going to use lines. If you notice, I use dots for the first one. So I'm shading 2/3. You guys see that, right? So to get our product, we count all the boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. So that becomes our new denominator. To get our new numerator, we count the boxes that have both lines and dots. We have 1, 2 of those, which gives us a product of 2, 6. But 2 and 6 are both even numbers, so they can be simplified. To do that, I'm going to divide my numerator and my denominator both by 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so I get 1/3. The important thing to remember here, guys, is that when you're shading 1/2, it went from the top to the bottom of the box right here, okay? See the dots? Then when I shaded 2/3, I went from side to side. The common mistake is you guys will only shade part of the box. You have to remember to shade the full box. All right, I'm going to do another one for you guys. We're going to do 3/4 times 2/3. So we're doing 3/4 times 2/3. I'm going to draw one hole, and I'm going to divide it vertically into 4 equal parts. Okay, so I did one hole, and I split it vertically into 4 equal parts, and my fraction says that I need to shade 3 of those. So I'm going to draw lines. And I've shaded 3 out of my 4 parts. Now my other factor is 2/3. So I'm going to split the same model into 3 equal parts. And I'm using the pink marker to see, so you guys can see that I've split it into 3 parts. Okay. Now I have to shade 2 of those. I'm going to use dots. Remember, you have to go all the way across the row. Okay, so there you go. I've gone all the way across and I've shaded 2/3. To find my new denominator, I count all of my boxes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes. So that's my new denominator. Now to get my new numerator, I count the boxes that have dots and stripes. So we've got one, well, hold on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that have dots and stripes. Now, we should automatically know that 6 over 12 is equal to 1/2, because if I double my numerator of 6, I get 12. So 6/12 can be put in lowest terms or simplest form as 1/2. If you guys have any questions about how to do these models, please reach out to me. You have 5 math problems either in your packet or on Google Classroom to complete following this video. Guys, again, if you have any trouble, reach out to me on class tag or email me at lorigordy@dadecs.org. Bye, guys.